Imagine, for a moment, a flash of light so powerful it could outshine an entire galaxy, yet it lasts just a few seconds. That's a gamma ray burst. And if you've never heard of them, buckle up, because these cosmic explosions are the most extreme fireworks show the universe has to offer. Here's the scene. Somewhere, billions of light years away, a massive star's life is ending. It's run out of fuel, its core collapses, and in a split second, it unleashes a burst of energy so intense it would fry anything in its path. We're talking about energy equal to what the sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime, released in less than a minute. So what actually causes a gamma ray burst? Well, there are two main types. The first is the death of a giant star collapsing into a black hole, sending out twin jets of gamma rays at nearly the speed of light. The second? When two neutron stars spiral together and collide. Those dense, city-sized remnants of dead stars. Either way, the result is the same. A shockwave of raw power that can be detected across the universe. But here's the wild part. If a gamma ray burst happened in our own galaxy and pointed right at us, it could strip away Earth's ozone layer in seconds. Life as we know it, gone. Luckily, these bursts are incredibly rare, and the odds of one hitting us are, well, astronomically low. Still, astronomers are always watching, just in case. Gamma ray bursts are more than just cosmic disasters. They're also beacons, helping us study the early universe. Because they're so bright, we can spot them from billions of light years away, almost back to the dawn of time. Each burst is like a cosmic postcard, telling us about the stars, galaxies, and the very fabric of the universe itself. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there, the universe is throwing parties more powerful than anything we could ever imagine. And thanks to gamma ray bursts, we get a front row seat to the wildest show in the cosmos. If you enjoyed this cosmic ride, hit that like button, and let me know what other mysteries of the universe you want to explore next. Until then, keep looking up.